G'day, Michael here. I've got a great little old bandsaw, which I'll show you in a second, but basically I'm forever wanting to do little quick notches out of a panel just to let it rail through or whatever. And to cut it through by hand, well, I can do it, but it all takes time. And it'd be easier, obviously, to set up the bandsaw to do it. Now, this is a great little bandsaw, but it's been sadly missing this one feature, and that's a fence. I'll show you what I've got. I think it came out of a school or something. It was a great buy. But what I have here is the table is not straight along the front here, and to mount a fence on there I really have to clean it up. Now I've got some aluminium extrusion which I intend to mount on the front, and also a similar one on the rear of the table, just to provide like a track for the fence. Now this is an offcut of a sliding door track. I'm going to make a fence that clamps into this extrusion here. Don't know how all that shows up, but it's a very simple extrusion. Too complicated really for this job, but it'll do the job. That's what I've got at hand. But the table here is, the edges need a square, nor is it straight, or the two edges parallel. That's got kind of a curve to it. I'll just undo it. I mean, I've actually had this table off. I've just put it back on here so you can see what I'm up to. So I'll take it off. Okay. Okay, so this is the small but heavy slab of cast iron. We can see that. I'll see if we can hold that. It's not flat, it's not square, it's not straight. I don't know how that shows up in the video, but it's pretty wonky. I mean, all they were concerned about is having a flat surface on the top. I don't know whether that shows up this way. Quite heavy to hold. But there's the front edge, the side that faces the operator. Here's the back edge. And both of them, I think that even shows up there. Yeah, it's got a bit of a hump. So I'm going to try and clean that up on the milling machine and see how we go. So I better go set that up. Basically I just want to get this edge and that edge as close to parallel as I can with my equipment, and you know, to get it within something close to straight, something close to square, something close to parallel with the opposite edge. Okay, off I go. The final limits. Okay. Okay, so that's pretty close. There's a look on the back side. Further in. That actually looks quite beautiful. Let's have a bit of white shows us. You can see how crooked it was. There's still a little bit of the green paint from the original finish, but now we've got a beautiful straight flat line there to work to. I've got to do the same on the opposite edge, and my aim is to make it as parallel as I can to this edge. So let's see how we go. Alright. I'll make that very perfectly 404, as good as this tape measure will tell me. .403 point, no, I'm going to call it about 3.2. Okay. Call that 18mm. We need to go about 0.6 of a mil. Try that. I'm going to call that probably 403 point, maybe 2. 403, maybe 2. I'm going to call that good enough.
Battery's about to go on my camera. That finish is absolutely beautiful. I've done my best to make it parallel. Best I can read with my binoculars on. 403.2. That's an estimate, of course, 0.2 millimetre. The same on this end. Yeah, I'm going to call that as perfect as I can do with the gear I've got at the moment. Unfortunately, I haven't got calipers this large. But in any case, this should be well within the tolerance of what I need. I mean, honestly, it was in half a millimetre over that length, it wouldn't have really mattered much. Alright, well that's it for this process. Back on the machine. Okay, so here you can see the new table installed. There's a new front face. I've trued it up, it's nice and level. I did find the table was out of parallel with the frame of the saw. Before the fence it didn't really matter, but now it does because I'm going to be using a fence to guide material through the path of the blade. So, the tracking has to be reasonably well in line with the blade. I mean, there's a little bit of tolerance because of the set of the saw, but generally it needs to be fairly good. So that's it for this video. The next process I'll have to do is invent a way of mounting these extrusions. The next thing I'll have to facilitate a method for holding the fence onto this extrusion. Of course, I've actually got to design the fence yet too, so it's a bit of a work in progress. Well, that's it for this video. Feel free to like, share, subscribe, ask a question, leave a comment. Bye for now.